먹어. Yeah, come in, show me your living room.
No real books.
Yeah, they're fake. They're all English though. English books.
I cannot do it.
Hi. Stray cats. Oh, they have their little water there. It's so cute.
Sonja is going to attempt the walking path of death. It's going to be really hurtful.
Oh, you made it look so easy. It's like walking on the beach. Oh, and now it's not on this. Oh, these were actually not that comfortable.
I feel it already with my shoes on.
I thought this would. I thought this would. I thought this would be nice, like a massage.
This is like a massage. Okay.
It's good for something. I'm going to Google what it's good for. No.
Huh?
Now we're going hiking on a place where we hiked at before. So it's like a good start, a good first start will do. So we're starting through these gates. So that will be the goal. We just gotta obviously walk there. So we're walking through this park to get to the trail. Okay, Jelly's actually really tired, so let's pretend he's happy. Hi! Friends. So yay, we'll be walking up. And yeah, wish us good luck. We are in the middle of the forest. And still there's like CCTV's camera. So that I feel safe, and there's also an alarm bell. Okay, so we are at the Inwangsan mountain. Well, almost. We're starting there, yeah, and going like this, right? And by the, this is the, what is it called?
The wall.
Yeah, the wall. Until here, right? And then we'll go down.
And over here we take the back.
Yeah. So we stopped by this little cute first plateau. It's warm. This is the rock we're going to. Haigolbawi rock.
There's people coming.
Oh. It was a bit of a climb. It has little steps. Cute, right? To get up to this super safe. Yeah, you see him sliding to get up onto the rock. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. Sure thing I can. Falls down. I think this is some kind of ritual because it says don't blow out the candles. So I think it's something. In the wall?
On the left.
Ah, I see him. This is like a prayer.
Yeah.
Let's put a rock for luck. I think this one is good.
Annie.
Small snacky. Second peak. One left to go. A little bit left until the top. Third peak-ish. We're running on a bit of a time crisis. Here we got a library. Let's see if we can enter. Oh, I see it, I see it. Oh, I see it. I see it. Yes. Inside the library. Oh, jävlar! I think they're playing hide and seek. Oh wow, oh wow, okay, that was something.
Sometimes it's a bit sensitive.
Okay, we should move. Today I'm going to do a color analysis, which is, it was really nice, Yella booked it for me, because he's done it before, which is basically that they check what colors suit me the best, depending on my skin tone and my hair and my eyes. We had a prediction. So you get a season, winter, summer, autumn or spring, and then you get a different tone, so cool, deep or bright. And I think that I will be, so here you have it by the way, I think I will be deep winter or warm winter maybe, I don't know. 13. Oh my god. Hi! I'll be doing it at Color Lover, if anyone cares. Okay, bye. I'll be speaking a bit quietly, obviously, but here we are sitting, is where the view is. Nice. The makeup, I guess. Try to check what suits with you. This car parking is also really cool because it's like a little elevator to get to the parking for the car. You get it? A car elevator. Okay, these are the ones that don't suit me. And these, it's good, it's a lot of options, are the ones that suits me.
Yeah.
I don't have anything in these colors, so that's perfect.
Oh my god.
But in this, I do have the brown. Nothing else. But yeah, I also concluded I have clothes in 2 colors, so that could be improved. This was the, they gave me a little paper, and I am autumn mute. These are the colors I'm recommended to wear. These ones. It's you, it's Jua. What was this called again? Oh my god.
Kakamari.
Kakamari. Okay, I'm working on it. And then we have the side dishes. It's with chicken
And rice cake.
and yeah, exactly.
And potatoes,
Yeah.
mandu, dumplings.
Oh, that's amazing. And she tried to make it not as spicy. Hey! Oh my god, beautiful. This is a random park we stumbled upon. The park is called Namsam Kukaktang. It's a really nice park, very empty. We walked into this beautiful old pavilion, and yeah, we're just gonna stroll around here. The food was amazing. Yeah, I could go for something cute. One close up at least. Either and then one from far away. I love all of these. I love extra those. I don't know how you feel.
Oh, you'll keep this one.
Oh, thank you. And then I have no problem. Yeah, I love that one.
And then close one.
Yeah.
Maybe
The right one.
this one?
Yeah.
I don't think that's special.
Marry me.
But not that cute.
No, I like the one colored ones. I like this one and
Oh, this one is cute.
yeah. I think we can go with well, that is us being cute. It's cute. I love this. Yay! Look at that, so cute. We're at Seoul having bingsu. Very confusing. So it's strawberry season now. So it's really good. So it's snowflakes with strawberries. And this
And
is condensed milk. And a mochi, as you can see the theme of apparently this trip.
Amazing.
Amazing. Looking forward to it. We're gonna exactly do some Lego. And the oh my god, amazing. Gabriel and Mariana. Exactly, that's what we're aiming on. Oh wow! Oh, it's big. Oh, that's amazing. I don't know. Oh wow! So this one takes a bit of longer time to do. Oh my god! Yeah, that would be amazing. Shame they're 40 plus and not that amused by Lego. I tried to find out new things.
Oh, you learn Dutch kind of.
Yeah. So I think because of that, okay, this is how we're doing so far. I think we've been here for, I don't know how long time. And this is obviously the lamb. Build the finalization, and we're gonna assemble it. Filming them.
Action.
Do you see this? So this one takes a bit of longer time to do.
You get your swing.
Oh, she's painting the wall. It's amazing.
Why do I feel like I play with really bad toys until now?
The slide as well. Come in. Oj, fasiken.
You can open the doors.
These are other accessories. We don't have the patience. Oh, look at the little simple donkey. No babies, but we have dogs.
For some reason.
Yeah. Dragons, what's up? Cat whisperer. Oh, okay. Look at it. Wow. Gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that one as well. Wow, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It feels like he's pointing at me, but that's fine. Wow, this one is beautiful. But that's so cool. we have to be a bit careful. I don't know, so far so good, but gotta keep an eye out. That's where we were on our last hike. Yeah, exactly. Inwangsan, maybe. Yeah, so we walked along those whites to the top there, and they're connected to this mountain. Oh, there's some music. Okay, so we were here now by the temple. This is for the Buddhists. And we're here now. Oh, I'm in the way for someone. And then we are going there. And we were here last time. Okay. We're walking up here now. And that is the goal. It's very steep. Falling down, but that's fine. We made it to the top. It's 295 meters up, so that's really cool. I didn't bring my camera, this is for my phone, so sorry about that. That is adorable. I can't. Look at him chilling there with a beautiful view. It's cute because you got an outdoor gym and then you got the oldies playing badminton, which is really cute. I feel like Korean elderly are really good at having a community and socializing. How are we doing?
I'm doing okay.
Doing okay. Back at our old university. Look at that. A pork belly, steak, this, yeah. And you got a curry.